My name is Kevin Rattery. I'm a musician from Madagascar, a guitarist more precisely. I first fallen in love with my instrument, which is the guitar, when I was 11. And we are together ever since. This is my uncle and my two sisters. I play pretty much any music genres. Some music genres are hard for me to play, but I'm still learning and willing to improve my playing. This is me, by the way. One thing I am passionate about is to explore as many music genres as possible. To that regard, I have embarked in this journey to explore music from all around the world. As human being, musician or not, we all react to the energy which music generates. I do believe music has so much to offer us. So let's learn music together. If you want to make this quest with me, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.